Welcome to the Solar Electrification Project in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. The project aims to transform lives using solar energy. Our target beneficiaries are women and adolescents from tribal-dominated villages with limited access to electricity, education and economic opportunities, rural women with limited financial literacy and digital financial literacy skills, and children who struggle to study under dim lighting and lack access to quality education. This project emphasizes empowering rural women, improving access to energy, and promoting digital financial literacy. 2 women have been trained to become solar engineers through a 5-month training program at Bindi International. During this time, they acquired skills in installing and repairing solar devices like Bindi torches and Diva lanterns. The training also covered the effective use and maintenance of these tools. Additionally, they received essential life skills training, including how to use computers and mobile devices efficiently through digital literacy. They also gained critical health-related knowledge to take care of themselves, their families, and their communities. Furthermore, they learned financial skills such as managing and saving money. This training provided them the opportunity to become self-reliant and role models for their community. After completing the 5-month training, they electrified 100 homes in 3 villages using a 75-watt solar home lighting system. This initiative brought light to small villages and homes without any electricity connections. They installed the systems themselves, providing these households with their first experience of the power of solar energy. This achievement showcased how solar technology can transform lives in rural areas. Solar electrification of homes will have a positive impact on their daily lives. With this lighting, women can enhance their livelihood activities. One of the trainees, Shantilata, lives with her parents, has 9 siblings and chooses to stay unmarried to support her family. She hopes to change her situation and create a positive impact on society. Shantilata comes from Odisha's tribal Jha village, where women collect leaves from forests to make eco-friendly plates, providing them with extra income. With solar lights installed, women can now make these plates at night, further increasing their income. After receiving training from Bindi International, Shantilata took steps to empower women in her village and nearby areas. She formed small groups and trained about 200 women in digital financial literacy. Through this training, women learned how to use mobile and digital devices to secure their money, do online banking, and make essential transactions. These women are now capable of making financial decisions for their households and are working towards a brighter future for their families. Moving the project forward, 15 solar street lights were installed in selected villages. These lights illuminated pathways at night, making movement easier and safer for the villagers. This has especially benefited women and children, reducing fear and improving safety during nighttime. In addition, a 3 kilowatt microgrid system was installed in 2 residential schools, addressing inadequate amenities and helping to improve the living standard that enables quality education. This solar energy system enhanced the learning environment, ensuring students no longer face difficulties studying due to a lack of lighting. This setup has significantly improved the quality of education, providing children with a brighter future and better opportunities. Solar engineers now have a new source of livelihood. They will maintain and repair solar energy systems, earning 1,500 to 2,000 rupees per month from community contributions. This income serves as a sustainable means of earning. Moreover, awareness about the use of solar energy is growing in villages. People are increasingly adopting solar lighting and other solar devices, benefiting the environment and addressing the shortage of electricity. Women's leadership and entrepreneurship skills are also improving. Becoming solar engineers has made these women self-reliant and role models in their communities. This change is not only improving their lives, but also empowering entire villages. Through the power of solar technology and the strength of empowered women, we strive to illuminate not just homes but dreams, bringing light and opportunity to Mayurbhanj and countless underserved communities across rural India. Your support helps us transform lives one village at a time. Thank you for being part of this journey.